This answer is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your Squarespace questions or tasks on demand.
All right, so all domains connected to Squarespace are protected with free SSL certificates. They are automatically included with your Squarespace subscription for your Squarespace domain, any third-party domains, all your subdomains, and all your built-in domains. And I'm going to show you where to go to actually see that. If you go to your site manager, your main page here, and you go to settings, and you go to domains, if you click on your domain here, you can actually see your SSL certificate status right here. And this one is active. And to my knowledge, from what Squarespace is saying, is anyone that gets connected, Squarespace automatically sets it to secure. Let's see some other things. So, if we go back to settings and we go to advanced and we go to SSL, you'll see here you can actually turn it off, make it insecure. I think the recommended version is just to make it secure, and you can see here the status is active too. But this is kind of almost like your SSL certificate manager right here. And again, you get to that in the advanced settings at the bottom of the setting page right here. But yeah, that's about all for HTTPS on Squarespace. Like they said, they automatically connect it to pretty much any domain, all third parties, all subdomains, and any Squarespace domains. All right, thanks.
Was this helpful? Ask a Squarespace question now. AskQuesty.com.